In a small village, a farmer decided to grow bamboo. His friends and neighbors mocked him, saying bamboo takes forever to grow. Undeterred, he planted the seeds and watered them diligently every day. For the first year, there was no sign of growth. The second year passed, still nothing. By the third year, his neighbors laughed openly at him. The fourth year came and went with no results, and by then, everyone in the village had given up on him. But the farmer continued to water his bamboo every day. In the fifth year, a tiny sprout emerged from the ground. Within 6 weeks, the bamboo grew to over 90 feet tall. Patience and consistent effort can lead to spectacular results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive real estate tips and tricks. Together, we'll unlock even more doors to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.